the hell are you?
KAMOLIANS! I have your power!
I think I'm onto it now.
That's not good enough!
It's over. It's all over.
We expect a finished product ready for testing.
Doesn't like he's from the heat. It's a person!
We haven't seen one in a while.
You can't leave!
Prepare to meet the KAMOLIANS.
Don't try to think you know what you're doing. The last time they tried to kill us.
There's an apocalypse coming, everyone's going to die. And that's going to happen when we next meet.
We went Oxford together! Doesn't that mean anything to you?
Someone is freezing this planet!
You can't die! You told me everything I know! The comet has somehow slammed into the moon surface.
Craig, is that you?
Release THANATOS. You're just a ball of light, but as much power as a roast turkey. Time running out is my speciality.
She's a nut.
Hello. You have weeping angels in your basement.
You are the only one that's evil here.
Shall become the most powerful time in history!
That's an order, Doctor. Get on this instant.
I'm psychic.
Cyberman!
Now you are in our power, Doctor.
Hold it right there.
Is it the large one?
Pretty big, yeah.
I'm the reason you're all standing here today. I created you.
You stranded us on this death trap, and you're telling me to alight?
What is happening?
The TARDIS is not to be trifled with. There's something very dangerous out there on that comet, and we've got to find it before it heals again.
I'm the Doctor.
Well, I'm the Sharon.
Never seen Star Wars. What year is this?
Damn you, Ray.
So, how are we doing this? Best 2 out of 3? First to lose a hand?
I'm here to kill you.
Why did I agree to working overtime today? This mission is of top urgency.
That's all in the past. Or is it the future?
Sontaran might has been compromised.